Cashflow makes it easy to automate customer communications, including payment reminders, overdue notices, and other updates. Under the invoice settings area, you can choose the number of days that the customer has from receiving the initial invoice before the payment is due. Note that this value is used to calculate the due date that appears on invoices themselves, which is simply the invoice issued date plus the number of days entered into this field. You can control when reminder emails are sent for invoices sent from OpenSolar using the reminder email automation. There are 2 reminders by default sent after the initial invoice at 5 and 10-day intervals. You can edit those intervals here, remove them, or add additional reminders in between the initial invoice sent date and the payment due date. A reminder will be sent to your customer on the payment due date as well, and then also you can add and configure additional reminders for overdue notices. We also allow you to configure 4 types of emails that will automatically be sent to the customer: the send invoice template, the reminder template, invoice overdue template, and overdue reminder templates. When your team sends the initial invoice, they'll have the ability to customize the send invoice template on the project level, and all the other email templates will be automated. For compliance reasons, the payment authorized email is not editable, so we'll send this content along once your customer has processed a payment with OpenSolar. You'll also find underneath each of these email templates, you'll be able to change the recipient settings. This allows you to BCC different team members, and these assigned team member, salesperson, installer, designer, and site inspector are assigned at the Manage tab on the project level. If there's somebody who you'd like to always have receive a BCC on any one of these particular templates, you can simply add their email address here. If there are multiple people, you can simply add all of their email addresses separated by just a comma. When your customer receives an invoice or one of your templated emails, it'll look something like this. It'll include your templated message, your vendor name, your invoice number, due date, the amount due, and a button to pay the invoice. There'll also be a PDF copy attached, which will enable the customer to scan to pay. So this will just open up the payment gateway. If you have any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks very much. Have a great day.